Ashley. Welcome to my channel where I make cleaning, thrifting, DIY, cooking, and homemaking videos. Today I am doing another day in the life type of video. I am attempting to make homemade sourdough burger buns. I have been craving Chick-fil-A chicken sandwiches or chicken burgers, and I did them once with store-bought burger buns. They weren't like the regular burger buns. They were like actual like bread from the bread people from the bakery, and they were so delicious. The chicken was very well seasoned. Everything was very yummy, but I've been craving them again. But this time I want to try to make my own burger buns. So that is what I'm gonna do today. I'm really excited. I already went to the commissary to get some essentials. I pretty much have everything except the lettuce, which I went to go get some lettuce. I got some lettuce. I also got some honey mustard. Unfortunately, we don't have the Chick-fil-A sauce, which is literally one of my favorite things to eat when I eat Chick-fil-A sandwiches. But I mean, I could try to make it myself, but I was being lazy. So I know this is not gonna taste the same, obviously, but this is mainly for my kids and my husband because I like to put mustard and ketchup on my sandwich, and then for my waffle fries I like dipping them in this or the Chick-fil-A sauce. So I even bought waffle fries. These are one of my favorite brands to buy for non-GMO Alexia seasoned waffle cut fries. They're very yummy. They taste so good when I put them in the air fryer. And then I also got some sourdough sandwich bread. I haven't done sourdough sandwich bread. I haven't like baked it myself. That is another thing that I want to try to do. This is turning into a grocery haul. It's very small, but I'm still going to show you anyway. I got some Kraft mozzarella cheese, sharp cheddar. I also got provolone, and I got some ham to make some sandwiches. My husband loves whenever I make him sandwiches. And then I've never tried this, but I've seen a lot of people use this. It's called Slap Ya Mama Cajun seasoning. So I think I'm gonna try this on one of the chicken breasts that I'm gonna do for the sandwiches, and I'm like gonna try it and see if it's good. That way I can use it on other like recipes. It says it's a medium spice, but I don't want to put it on all of the chicken because I don't know if it's gonna be spicy for my kids and my husband. I love eating spicy food. I don't eat it as much as I used to because of my IBS problem, but every now and then I do try, or I do eat a little bit of it. So that is what I'm gonna do today. So I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me on cooking. It is a very gloomy day. It's kind of chilly outside. It's also been like raining and sprinkling and all that stuff here and there. So I'm really excited to cook. I already fed my sourdough starter in the morning, so it's already really bubbly and very active right now. So I am gonna make my burger buns. I was gonna try to make the dough yesterday to let it rise or whatever, but there is a recipe that I'm gonna follow from Lisa from the farmhouse on Boone. This is gonna be my second recipe that I'm gonna follow from her, and she has a recipe to do like quick buns, to not like wait a whole day and let it sit in the fridge and all that stuff. So I'm really excited to try it out. I'm also a little bit nervous because what if my buns don't rise? I have yeast, so maybe I'll even add a little bit of yeast just to like cheat a little bit. But yes, my sourdough is very bubbly. Ooh, very, very bubbly. I don't know if you guys can see. Ooh, it's super bubbly, you guys. You can't see. Oh yeah, you did. I'm so excited. Okay. I'm gonna, oh my gosh, I want to show you my little outfit. This is very comfortable. I got it at 2nd Street for 500 yen. That was maybe like $2 the whole set, the shirt and the skirt. I'm wearing a bodysuit underneath. It's like a shapewear from Skims, and it just like makes me feel very comfortable. I feel comfortable put together. I feel very girly and feminine at the same time. And then the skirt is like really long. Let me show you. It is long, but I love it. And I'm also wearing some little flats. I've been super into flats lately. And then I'm also wearing like a little bow. I'm really excited about this outfit. It makes me feel very, very pretty. And I'm just gonna stay like this until my husband gets home, because I like looking put together for him when he gets home from work. I don't do it all the time, but I do it often, meaning I do it maybe 5 days out of the week. I try to look put together for him. Also, I did want to run a few errands because I went to the commissary, but besides that, I really like looking put together for my husband. So let me go ahead and get all my things ready, and let me start on my dough because it's already 2 in the afternoon and I need to get this ready by the time my kids and my husband get home from school or from work too. So okay, my starter is really active right now, so I'm gonna get my ingredients ready so that I can make my buns. It's a little bit warm in here, so I'm praying to God, please Lord, let my buns rise so that I can make dinner for my family today. Thank you very much. I cannot even. God is good, baby. Guys, my dough is doughing. It's in the mixer right now. I'm just gonna let it do its thing until it's soft and elasticy, and then I'm gonna make my little burger bun balls and let them sit for 2 hours. That's what the recipe says. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. guys, my chicken is already frying. It looks so yummy. It smells so good. And my buns are proofing already, so they should be done in about 15 minutes. And I'm gonna put them in the oven for them to be ready to make our burgers. I'm really excited. It smells so yummy here. They're gonna be ready just in time for my husband to get home. 2 of my kids are already home. We're just waiting on my son and my husband to get home. You know what I'm gonna try? I kind of want to try to make my own like pickles, maybe? Not right now, obviously, but I kind of want to try to make like myself pickles with cucumbers and all that stuff. I mean, pickles are cucumbers. My buns are ready, but they feel a little dense. Yeah, I'm just making the fries. They taste good because I already tasted one, but they feel a little dense. So I ended up going to the commissary to buy buns. I think because I did these like in a rush, I didn't let it rise. That's why they came out like that. So we're still gonna eat them, but not with our chicken, because no. We'll eat them with maybe some jelly or something like that.
What is
and
that?
Then look at my starter. It is so bubbly right now. It's like coming. No, I need to like remove some of it and put it in another bag or another jar because it's literally oozing out. You guys, it looks so yummy. I am so happy with how these turned out. I can't wait for my kids to wait for my kids to eat, and my husband. I'm actually gonna feed the kids first because my husband isn't home yet and it's already a little bit late in the day, so I don't want to make them wait. So I'm gonna go ahead and give them their food so they can eat, and that's it. I think that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. It was a very talky, quick video, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys on my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you made it all the way to this part of the video, please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.